Attention learning and development professionals. We all hear a lot about AI in learning and HR these days, right? But often it feels like a buzzword, like that Cocomelon song. Are we there yet? We are almost there, but not quite. Well, I'm here to tell you we are there. Join me. I'm Tamara Kacharova, CEO of L&D and host of the Love People Technology Learning podcast. And I'm leading a session at TechLearn in Austin on September 19th. We'll explore real-world case studies of AI in L&D and HR. I'll be unveiling L&Di's groundbreaking GPT-Led Training Solution that's revolutionizing how we develop soft skills, onboard employees, and upskill and assess teams. Think AI mentors, coaches, trainers, and assessors all working together to personalize the learning experience. We'll explore real-world case studies and leave you with actionable strategies to harness AI's true potential in your L&Ds and HR practices. Don't miss this opportunity to move beyond the buzzwords and experience the future of learning. Join me!